ortho mode was off, so I switch on. Okay, so this is line command. I have drawn a line. Now I also use circle command, that is C enter, specify center, give radius. Okay, this is the circle command. Then I have used trim command, TR double enter. Okay, then trim out the unwanted part. It's like your eraser. Now we will see another important command, that is offset command. Okay, so let's say I have drawn any line. I can draw any line. So this line I have selected and deleted. Okay, so suppose if you want to delete any line, you can select and you can delete it. Now to draw offset command, let's say I want to draw offset for this. Offset means what? You will draw a line parallel to this at this side with the same length. Okay, it's not a copy paste, but it will draw parallel to this at the same line will be new form line will be of the same height. Okay, and only thing you need to mention here, offset distance means that what distance from this line, left or right, you want another line. Okay, so let's say this for offset command is O enter. Okay, then it is asking me specify offset distance. Okay, let's say I want 10 as an offset distance. So I have typed 10 and then enter. Then it is asking me select object to offset, means which object you want to offset. So this is my object. So click on this. Now if you move your cursor, then it will ask you at which side of this line, at which side of line you want to offset, means if you want at left or right. So you can click anywhere in the side where you want to offset. Suppose I want this line offset at right hand side. So I have clicked at right hand side. Now still your cursor is in offset command with the offset distance of 10 mm. If you want to do same offset, then you can use it. Means offset of 10 mm, then you can use it. Or you can press escape if you want to do offset for another line with the different distance. Okay, so let's see. I'm doing another offset. O enter. Now I'm typing offset distance as 20. Enter. Now I want to offset this horizontal line. So I will select this horizontal line and I will click on either up or down. Let's say I have click on down. Now what will happen offset for this line? Okay, suppose if I click on this line, then it will get offset for 20 like this distance. So 20 is perpendicular distance between these two lines. If I do offset for the circle, so let's offset for this circle, select circle. So a new circle of plus 20 radius is added. Okay, if I do offset at inside, a new circle of 20 radius reduced is opted. Okay, same you can do for semicircle. Okay, so we are going to use these 4 commands more frequently: line, circle, trim, and offset. There is one more command. It's not a command, but one more useful tool, that is stretch tool. Means suppose if you have drawn this line of length say 200 mm. If you want to stretch it, then you can stretch. Suppose if you want to stretch it towards right, you can stretch it towards right. So you can click on this. You can set distance. Now it is asking me by what distance you should stretch. So if I type 100 mm, it will get stretched by 100 mm.